In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a Notion account step by step, even if you've never used Notion before. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace where you can take notes, manage tasks, build projects, and organize your entire digital life in one place. The best part is that getting started is completely free and only takes a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Notion account ready to use. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open any web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to Notion.com. This is the official Notion website, and you'll land on the homepage where Notion explains what the platform can do. Take a moment to scroll if you want, but when you're ready, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option that says Log In. Even if you don't already have an account, this is where the sign-up process starts. Go ahead and click on Log In. On the next screen, Notion will give you a few different ways to continue. You can sign up using your email address, or you can use a Google or Apple account for faster access. If you want the quickest setup, choosing Google is usually the easiest option. Select the method you prefer and continue. Once you do that, Notion will begin creating your account automatically. After selecting your sign-in method, you'll see a screen that says Continue to Open Account. This is where Notion confirms your login and sets up your new workspace. Click on Continue to Open Account to move forward. At this point, Notion may ask you a few simple questions, like what you plan to use Notion for, or whether you're using it personally or for work. These questions help Notion customize your experience, but you can always change things later, so don't overthink your answers. Once you finish this step, your Notion workspace will load. Congratulations! Your Notion account is now officially open. You'll be taken directly into your dashboard, where you can start creating pages, adding notes, and exploring templates. On the left side, you'll see your sidebar with options like Pages, Settings, and Templates. In the main area, you can click to add your first page and start organizing your ideas right away. Before you start using Notion heavily, I recommend clicking into the Settings menu and reviewing your account details. This is where you can manage your email, password, and preferences. You can also download the Notion desktop or mobile app from here if you want to use Notion across multiple devices. Everything syncs automatically, so your content is always up to date. And that's it. You've successfully opened a Notion account and are ready to start using one of the most powerful productivity tools available today. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.